Dear students, how are you? After this Diwali vacation, I hope you are well. Okay. Now, still our online learning is going on. So, today we are going to learn the 2.6 World Heritage. The name of the lesson is 2.6 World Heritage. And as usual, at first we are going to learn the activities in the warming up section of this lesson. Okay. So for that, open page number 74 of your English textbook. Okay. So on that page, you will see the heading warming up. Okay. Under the warming up, there is a chit chat. And the first activity here is I can talk about the world. So from this, it is obvious that in this first activity, we have to talk about the world. So let's read the activity first and understand it. So form groups of 6 to 8 students. Each group should select any one continent and share the following information about each. The following information given here is about important cities, sightseeing places of tourist interest, food specialty, cuisine, wildlife, different types of region and vegetation, human life. Okay, now select any one continent. That means you know how many continents are there in this world. Obviously, there are 7 continents and we live in the Asia continent. Okay. So can you tell me which are the 7 continents, the names of the 7 continents? Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America, Australia and the Antarctica. These are the 7 continents of the world. So now for this activity you have to choose any one continent of these continents. And from that continent you have to find out the important cities, the sightseeing places of tourist importance, the food specialty or cuisine, wildlife, different types of region and vegetation, and human life in that continent. Okay. So for that you will need the map of that continent. So find the map of that continent. Take that map and search the important cities and other points given here. Okay. So by that way you will be able to acquaint yourself with the world or that continent. So for example, let us take Asia. Okay. Now from the Asia continent, first of all, you will search for important cities. So which are the important cities in Asia continent? I will tell you, for example, Bangkok, Tokyo, Hong Kong, Seoul, Beijing, Shanghai, Kuala Lumpur, Taipei, Mumbai, Chennai, Macau and Jakarta. So I have found that these are the important cities in the Asia continent. Okay. You can look for these cities in the map of Asia continent. Then go on looking for sightseeing places in Asia continent. Then find out the food specialities, find out the wildlife. Okay, so in this way you can find out each and everything given here from that continent. Okay, so after finding this information, you have to write that information in proper attractive sentences and present that information in the class, before the class. Okay, so this is the activity. Did you understand this activity? Okay. Then here on the same page, the other activity is number 2. Prepare a travel brochure or leaflet of your native place or any town or historical place or hill station to attract tourists using the points below. Only the points are given here. You can look at the points on page number 74. So brochure gives the information about the place of cultural or historical or any other importance. Okay. So while making brochure, while making travel brochure or leaflet, you will have to use the given points here. So for example, here let's make a brochure or leaflet of Chikhaldarha, a place of tourist importance in Amravati district. So first of all, take a pencil in your hand and let's write the needed information according to the given points. So now imagine that we are going to write the leaflet for Chikhaldarha, the tourist place. Now the first point is the nearest railway station. Which is the nearest railway station for Chikhaldarha? Yes, obviously. It is Amravati. So write Amravati. Then nearest airport for Chikhaldarha? Nagpur. Nagpur is the nearest airport for Chikhaldarha. Then nearest bus stand for Chikhaldarha? Itself, Chikhaldarha is the nearest bus stand. Chikhaldarha itself is the nearest bus stand. Okay. Now in the next box, we have to write top 5 spots to visit in Chikhaldarha. So which are the top 5 spots that we should visit, that the tourist should visit there? So we can write here, those top 5 spots are: number 1, Bhimkund, Panchbol Point, Devi Point, Gavilgad Fort, and Vairat. So these are the top 5 points that any tourist can visit here and enjoy those points in Chikhaldarha. Okay. Now in the next box, special features of these spots. So we have told the names of the points, we have told the names of the top 5 spots here, and now we have to tell the special importance, the special features of these spots. So Bhimkund, what is the importance of Bhimkund? So we have to write here in short. Bhimkund has a mythological reference. It is believed that at this point Bhima in Mahabharata had killed Kichak and washed his blood-stained hands with the water here. So the water at this spot was red in color. Okay. Now the next point is Devi Point. So What is important for Devi points? Here we can write a temple of goddess in a cave. Throughout the year, the water drips down, making the wave cool and making the cave cool and wet. It is surrounded by scenic beauty. Okay. The next is Gavilgad Fort. A centuries-old fort has 7 gates and Rani Ka Zoroka, from where the queen used to enjoy the morning sunshine, can be seen here. Okay, the next point is Panchbol. It is a point where you can hear 5 echoes of the sound you make. And the next and the last is Vairat. So from here you can enjoy the wonderful sight of the sun setting behind the mountain. All the above spots are surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. So in short, we have to write the importance about the given spots. The next is have fun, entertainment. So what is there for entertainment? How can we entertain yourself? How can the tourist people entertain themselves at Chikhaldara? Yes, they can enjoy the natural beauty, the scenic beauty here. And during July to September, it is the best time to visit this place. There are waterfalls and green hills. There are rivers, valleys, forests, animals and birds. All these things can be seen and enjoyed at this place. You are in the heart of nature when you visit Chikhaldara. Okay. Then mouth-watering on special cuisine. Cuisine here means food speciality. What is the food speciality here? Here you can say Adivasi food cooked in earthen stoves, cooked on earthen stoves is the special food here. That food is made in earthen containers and on earthen stoves. They use special kind of vegetables from the forest. So that's the mouth-watering or special cuisine here. And the next point is nearby sightseeing spots. So which are the nearby sightseeing spots from Chikhaldara here? There is a green forest, Adivasi localities you can visit. Okay, you can visit birds, animals and different insects. Okay, so in this way, by using all these points, you can write the leaflet for Chikhaldara as a tourist place and give the important information to the tourist people by writing leaflet. Okay, so we have taken only one example for writing a tourist leaflet. So in this way you can write a tourist leaflet for your native place. That means Amravati. Otherwise you can take other place of historical importance, that may be of mythological importance, that may be of religious importance, that may be of any other cultural importance. So take any place and try to write a tourist leaflet by taking these points. Okay. So here we have completed the warming up section of the lesson World Heritage. Okay, in the next video, let's learn this lesson. Okay, bye. Thank you.